welcome to day 17 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. Today, we'll dive into creating a right-angled triangle pattern in Python, perfect for beginners. Challenge description. Given a number b, we'll write a Python program to print a right-angled triangle of b rows using numbers starting from 1. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing b output. The output should be b rows containing numbers as a right-angled triangle shown in the sample output. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Join us on this coding journey as we decipher the logic behind constructing this engaging pattern. It's a fantastic opportunity to enhance your Python skills. Turn on notifications to never miss an update. Thank you for your support. Keep coding and learning with us.